Welcome to another week's video at Yannis Kapa Guitar. This is Yannis Kapa. Today we're going to learn D minor bar chord. Okay everybody, so D minor bar chord. So what you do is you push your first finger as a bar chord, okay, on the 5th fret, and then you put your second finger on 2nd string, 6th fret, and then you put your 3rd finger on 7th fret, 4th string, and then you put your pinky finger on 7th fret, 3rd string. Okay, this is your D minor bar chord. If you notice, it's pretty much the same, it's just a tiny bit different. Okay, and what you gotta remember, always use your fingertips. Okay, so you use them like hammers, and they don't touch the adjacent strings, so you get a clear sound. You don't sound like that. No. Okay, and also make sure your thumb is not like this, but it's in the middle of the fretboard, like this. And there you go. It's almost like how should I say this? It's almost across from your. The first finger is almost across from your thumb, and there you have a better grip of your notes. Okay, and also remember, leave room here. This is really important. Okay, you have control over your fingers. Don't go like this, because you're not gonna have a good grip on the notes. If you do it like that, you're gonna be like a rock star. Okay. That's it, my friends. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Press a like, click the bell icon, leave a comment, and I'll see you guys next time. Take care.